Yeah, you are right. Okay.
You are?
All of you right. I want to take two of them.
Ah.
But in the surfing you can see.
Oh, mag ano na kayo? Ito-test na kayo ni Kuya.
Test na.
Test muna, tapos balik doon.
Turn around. Turn around.
Oo.
Keep your leg closer. Okay. Not too much. Let me space. Okay, like that. Yeah. Relax. See that white van? You can see? Come here again.
Hindi niya nakuha kung ano ka.
See that car?
Oh.
Come. Kailangan mo pa ako.
Why are you pushing me? Uy!
Okay.
We can fix this.
Yes. Sit. Brother, you have problem?
Right also? Right? She's right also?
Yeah.
Ano bang gagawin?
Tinitingnan niya kung anong ano ka, kung right.
Like the red gold?
Kung ano yung balance. Left sitin. Nakita ko left. Ako ano ko?
Okay.
Right ka daw. Oh, left nga talaga.
Kaliwenti siya eh.
So who will start?
Sino
Sir
muna?
Arnold!
Sir Arnold!
So he will go last, okay?
I will go last. Okay.
Oh, okay. Ah, kasi ikaw yung left.
Kasi kaliwenti siya eh.
Ako lang left.
Nakaban ako.
Go Sir Arnold!
Yes, right. I'm always right. Put the zipper.
Sit
If
first.
not, you will be wrong. So, from this
Oh.
side, okay. Put the zipper. Not always like it. Yeah, leave it. Kali, yeah. Yes.
Tika.
I will float with that, right? Yes.
Tika.
Tiki.
Ha?
TK, what is TK?
Yes?
Okay.
Okay. Ha? Tika?
Which language?
Niya. Ni.
Language well.
No,
What's
it's
name,
Hindi.
Oh. No, pagal only.
Pagal.
As.
Come.
As, pagal.
Who is Pagal?
Us!
As. All of us.
Everything.
Everyone.
Yeah, too much. Yeah. Jump into the water.
Everyone Pagal, huh?
Come to Dubai!
Come to Dubai. Everyone is pagal.
Give me the boat.
Hoy, kuya!
Why is not
Sir Arnold na ano na? Hinulog ka niya? Hinulog ka na niya, sir?
Hinulog ka niya? Hinulog ka niya?
Oo.
Sadya yun?
Oo.
Oo, kasi nga maninig.
Tingnan niya kung ano. Kung gano'n ka kalakas. Gulat ako eh.
Jeans is not allowed, right?
Huh?
Jeans is not allowed.
Jeans. Huwag ka mag-jeans, hindi ka makakagalaw eh. Oo, may na baka magumalaw.
It's fine.
Hindi ka naman ano. Mga cellphone niyo baka mataapakan. Cellphone mo si mo, Pats?
Everyone knows swimming, right?
Only
Ate
no.
Icy.
Slowly, ah. When it's my turn.
We will go there.
Yeah, hindi ka manulog.
Hindi. Magpapalutang na lang ako sa bukit.
Baka pa-video ako.
Yeah.
Video mo siya. Hindi na naman magkoconnect yung ano.
Did I tell you leave the boat? Did you see the boat? Okay. Hold the rope.
Pwede kang umupo dito.
Hold the rope.
Tignan mo, Sir Arnold. Tignan mo yung sunblock niya.
Ala, paano pala yung sunblock ko?
Okay, next stand. No problem. I'll do. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Pats. Ha?
Careful.
Leave the boat. Leave the boat. Okay, stay like that. Wait. Stop.
Stop.
Please, don't go like that.
Ayun din doon ang drive namin.
Sir Arnold, go!
Nakakawit na yung...
Si Pretty Bird, kita ko na.
Go. Leave the boat. Leave the boat.
Go to the board! Oh, kung makapagano ako, akala mo naman. We went slowly first and then when we went up, kung fast na tayo. Oo.
Follow the instruction.
Yeah, follow the instruction.
Turn the boat.
Pwede mo mahawakan yung isa.
Siyempre nakakat ka eh.
Leg up. Leg up on the boat. Leg low here. Hold it again.
Baka mamaya.
Okay?
Mochi.
Pagod na.
Yung tatay niya pagod na. Nakalon si Sir Art. Sabi ko nga yung wakeboard na lang eh.
Pagod na yung
I think
tatay.
wakeboard is better because there is shock.
Someone will go? Okay, someone will come.
Fast.
Come other one, come other
Ikaw
one.
na.
Come. Akaka.
You want to relax?
Uy, wala kang ano?
Red life jacket, sit down.
Life jacket. Uy.
Okay, sit down.
Wala ka ba ng life jacket? Porket marunong lumangoy? Tatalon na siya. No need the life
Come
jacket.
inside the boat.
Huwag mo ako tatawanan ha, kasi tumatawa. Ikaw kasi tawa kami na.
You want to relax?
Tinak mo yung ano.
What you did, brother?
Walang ano sa loob.
You want
Okay, okay, no problem.
Nagka-ramps ka?
Hindi kasi yung pag-angat.
Ko. Mahirap. Dapat na ganun muna tayo nag-stretching.
Come inside.
Stretching muna, ganun.
Tie the life jacket. Tie the life jacket.
Mabigat, sir?
Mahirap umangat.
Umangat?
Kasi nga nakagano ko.
Ah. Pwede dapat hindi pala ano. Pwede bang tatayo ka na lang tapos hihilahin na lang agad? Ay, di pag ganun kasi yung tamang ano, yung balance mo.
Oh, wait, wait, wait. Don't do. Just follow the instructions.
Walo mo siya. Follow mo, Chi.
Leave the rope. Hold the chair now on two hands. With the rope. With the rope.
This one?
Yeah.
Like that. Now bring your leg up. Other guys can look. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Iangat na yung pan.
Relax, relax, relax.
Tapos hilain ka patayo, no?
You just leave the boat and holding the rope.
Okay.
Arm is straight. Don't pull, okay?
Okay.
And stand up. Right here.
Sabihin,
Brother, go a little more back.
mugbak.
Leave the boat, leave the boat. No, leave the boat, not the rope. Come, come.
Leave the boat meaning? Leave the boat.
Pitawan mo na
Leave
yung,
only boat.
yung parang tutapuan ka na.
I didn't tell you to
I-ready
leave
mo yung
the
sarili mo. Baba.
You not following direction
Ano daw?
She's the one make the face go also. This one more here.
Tapos,
Okay. Heels up.
pagkain na sa'yo.
No, no, heels.
Tapos pag sinabi niyang up,
Gia,
babangon ka lang. Hindi na
Ah,
leave the boat. Yes, good, like that. Don't pull, don't pull, don't pull. Arm straight.
Arm straight, yeah.
Go. Stand up, 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 up.
Oh my God, man! Ay, naka! Nakakuha ka na! Mahalo ka!
mahirap.
It's difficult, brother. Siyempre.
She was pulling.
Kailangan hindi mo ano, ilahin.
How we can go up? Para maano ka kasi sa tubig. Pag hindi wag mong ano, brother, teach us how to go up. I mean, try niya gani. Di ba bukong butongon niya niyo? Mamuna sa dayon.
You don't need to pull. No?
No, you don't need to pull.
How will we go
But
up?
how to go
Because
up?
boat is pulling you.
Yeah.
So why you pull? You can pull this one.
Just straight, just straight.
Yeah, this is powerful. Then you can't pull any string.
Okay.
Okay. Sino okay na?
Come, come here.
Hirap naman yan.
Don't pull, okay? Don't pull. Keep your arm straight.
Magpaalon ka lang daw, Mochi, sa ano.
Oo, hilahin ka ng boat.
Straight mo lang yung kamay mo.
Iganon mo.
Hilahin ka daw ng boat. Kung hindi ka naka-steady, ba't bitawan mo na kagad yung ano? Baka maano ka kasi. May mainom mo.
Don't pull, okay? Just stand up only when it's coming up.
Oo.
Yeah?
Tapos tayo ka lang.
Tayo ka lang ha.
Leave the boat. Arm is straight. Don't pull. Relax. Come. Stop. Turn your leg. Yes. Adjust the boat.
Ah, okay.
Kulikatin ka talaga.
Okay.
Hold
Kaya?
the boat. Relax. Hold the boat and relax. Heels up. Yes.
Galagalaw mo yung ano para hindi ka maano nang
Relax, okay?
Alak!
Don't drink water too much.
Bibigat ka na pag ano. Hindi na.
Ready?
Relax.
Heels up. Relax. Cheer.
Yo.
Go. Go. Leave the boat. Go. Stand up.
Tayo lang, huwag mong hilain.
Go, go, go. Leave it.
Huwag ka na. Kunin mo yung ano mo, yung board mo. Mahirap, no?
Cool, guys.
Yeah.
Ano?
You will try?
Yeah. Yan.
Ako na muna. Sige.
Okay, one more then after you. Okay.
Okay.
Wear the life jacket and be ready.
Ha?
Not that one, not that.
Okay.
The red one on the front. Take it, the red one on the front.
Red one daw.
Mas maganda yung ganyan na lang. Nakapula tayo dun eh.
Alat na tubig? Ba't mas palat dito kaysa sa Jumeirah?
Hindi ko alam. ikaw na? Ikaw ba? Sige, ikaw. Gusto mo nito?
One more. Don't pull, okay? Arm straight.
Arms tayo.
Because you're pulling.
Wag mo i-pull. Try mo i-
Come here.
How you stand?
This one.
Your bird.
Hold the boat in two hands.
Yeah.
Stand up.
Okay.
Edge of the boat, okay?
Yeah.
Edge of the boat.
Edge?
Yeah, like that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes?
i-ano mo, B. Harap mo sa boat.
Go.
Yan.
Keep arm straight. Stand up. Arm straight. Don't pull.
Dapat yung arms mo straight lang kasi. Ikaw ba kaya mo na? Tawak mo na dito.
Ano nga?
Ganun lang. Hindi mo hihilahin.
Kasi nga mababalance mo dun sa board.
Wakeboard na. Bakit wala ba ito? Practice nga yung pagkakangat mo.
You're pulling. Why are you pulling? Okay, guys, you're recording, right? Show her the video. Come here.
Parang nagsisit ups daw, Mochi. Hindi ko naman pinagkulay. Siyempre, aandar. Kaya nga eh, hindi ko nga din mag-gets yung gusto nyo sabihin.
Come.
Is the board?
Hindi, B, ano, pagkaangat, ano, ito yung tukod mo yung paa.
You wanna do one more?
Try ikaw mamaya.
Sige, try mo nga.
One more.
Ikaw na, randiyan ka na eh.
Kasi right kayo lahat eh.
Ikaw na muna.
Try ko nga. Pero,
Lord, this.
paano ba to?
Sorry, guys.
Because when you're moving, so it looks like I'm moving.
Sit down.
Try mo nga, Mochi. Parang nagsisit ups ka. Natayo.
Try again.
Try mo. If we do like this and then you...
Yes. I will pull you up. You pulling it hard, yes. Okay, I'll show you one thing. Everyone see. Brother, you stand up. Everyone, okay? Leave the rope. Leave it rope. Hold it from here. See? Now I'm on the surfing position.
Okay.
Okay.
Take this one inside, okay?
Okay.
And give me this towel, brother. Okay?
Ang hirap pala.
See? Now I'm on the surfing position. Pull me up.
Sorry, Tin.
See? I can pull me up. Yeah. See? I'm coming now. Okay? Pull me up again.
So parang sasabay ka lang sa ano, siya yung hihila.
Yeah. Pull me up now. See? See? If I pull, it doesn't work. See? Pull me. Pull me harder. Yeah. I pull no. No way.
Okay.
Let the car move first before I
Of course. See? You hold in. See? I just keep it straight only. But pull again.
Okay, parang nagsisit ups, Mochi.
Pull is better. You can pull this board.
Dito ka lang. Itayo mo. Char. Tapos pag ako mamaya, hindi ko na
Parang ano,
Yeah. Hold the rope. Hold the rope.
sabihin pag nandito. Pag nandun ka na, ang dito.
Kaya nga eh.
Tapos nakakapulit ka, tapos nakagulong ka.
Oo. Yun yung iniisip ko kasi paano ka tatayo nakabika ka.
Okay. Hold the board.
Try natin ulit.
Keep it on the
Parang
ground.
dali lang sa video, no?
Oo. Ang smooth lang.
Go back.
Tapos kung magtulog ka, ito kala mo professional ka pa. Patient siya.
Kaya nga eh.
Parang hindi nyo makakaintindihan. Ganito lang ang lagay.
Hold up.
First timer nga lang.
Leave the board. Yeah. Just like that. Hold the board again.
Pull her. Wait na lang.
Here. Leave the board. Don't pull. Go.
Tayo.
Ayo. Stand up, 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 up.
Go, Mochi! Lapit na, lapit na!
Okay, very last one for you. After someone else.
It's okay, it's okay, yeah.
Okay.
So parang dapat relax talaga yun dito.
You know?
Yeah.
One person needs minimum 30 minutes to stand up.
30 minutes?
Minimum 30 minutes to stand up. One person.
So what time is it now?
How many time we left?
Lapit ka na.
Come here, swim here.
Konti na lang, Mochi.
Okay. Turn the boat other side. Turn it back.
Ang hirap na talaga. Kasi feeling ko mahirap to ang Siyempre mahirap balancing kasi to.
Here. Go. Go. Up, 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 up.
Hirap. Hirap makatayo.
You ready?
Yeah.
Don't pull, okay?
Okay. I will try my best. Dito lang tayo.
Change.
I will try my best. Iwan mo lang ha.
Other side.
Sige na. Wait lang. Taasin mo muna siya.
Go down.
Go down na, Pats.
Go na.
Go down na.
Go inside.
Baba na.
Pero masakit saan?
Turn around.
Alat.
No, okay, no. Come here, okay.
Kailangan na ngayon. Blue?
Pula na ng ilong mo ah.
Hold here with the rope.
Alat eh.
I'll bring your leg up. Leg up. Leg up from the boat. Now I will adjust. Relax.
Ang hirap.
Remember where is it, okay? End of the edge on the
Hindi mo lang nakatayo.
end of the edge on the right. Bring it up. Okay, right. This one go back. Back.
Hindi na, sumasadsad lang siyang ganon. Hindi ako
Ready? When I tell you leave the boat, you just leave the boat and your arm is straight, okay? Clear? Go.
Leave the boat.
Leave the boat. Leave the boat. Wait. Go.
Pats, katuto mo. Pats!
Go. Leave it. Go.
Mapapalit ka rin.
Patin, no? Here, it's hard to stand.
No, it's not hard to stand. You pull in that size now.
No, I get it na. I'm not pulling, but the board,
The wave?
the wave is reversed to the board.
Everyone stand up.
Hindi naman ako nag-pull eh.
Earlier than you, that customer.
Nag-pull daw ako? Alat, no?
Hold the rope. Come here, swim here. You swim in, right? Sa laki. Down the road. Down the road.
Tsaka may inflatable island, no? Sakit sa katawan yun eh, no? Inflatable.
All the way up. All the way here, this one of the way.
Because I cannot stand.
Ate Kate.
Heels up.
Itigate ko na lang pag-asa na.
Finish stand.
Ayo, si Ting pa.
Here.
Last one na to. Ikaw na.
Sige. Leave the boat. Magready ka stay squat like that.
Ay, yung ano,
Press your heels. Don't pull.
Don't pull, don't pull.
Why you pulling? Don't pull.
Ay, sorry.
Don't pull. Keep your arms straight.
Edge of the boat.
And take more back.
Kabisado ko na yung instruction. Yung paggawa, hindi ko alam.
Now leave the boat.
Kaya ng
Leave
isip
the
pero
boat.
katawan
Leave the boat.
hindi.
No, don't pull. Don't pull. Don't pull. See, don't do anything.
Galit na siya. Galit na.
Relax, relax.
Walang may nakatayo.
You are pulling, you are releasing your leg. No, it's a squat and lean.
I told you, we're pagal, no?
Brother.
We're pagod. Yeah, we can stand, no?
You
We
don't
can
do
stand.
the right way. Leave the boat and relax. Arm straight. Leave the boat. Arm straight. Stay squat.
This is smart.
Okay? Yeah, press your heels. Only press your heels. Don't pull. Why are you pulling?
My ears!
What?
My ears! There's one.
Nagagalit na siya.
What do you mean yes water?
My
What do you
ears
water
is too.
sport? Not sand sport. Go back this one.
Masungit itong nagtuturo sa akin.
Wait, Roy, may coach na.
Okay, wait. Hold it on the light tail, okay? When I
Ba't yun na lang sila kaya natin?
leave it fast, okay? And keep on.
Kotse.
Gia? Gia?
Hindi na yung coach. Take the boat.
Go. Stand up, up, up. Leave it.
Sayang. Patayo na eh. Anong nangyayari sa baba ng board?
Guys, don't say leave the boat, okay? Wait, I will
Ano ang tawag dito? Hindi mo
Nakaganyan sa alon.
Nakaganyan sa alon. Opposite.
Nabakan mo? Hindi, nakabangga sa alon.
Kasi di ba ipupwesto mo yung yung board. Ipupwersa mo sa tubig. Kaso hindi
Hindi
makikiayo.
dapat, ano pala daw?
Ano?
Wala, ganun. Hindi ka, mahirap pag ano, diretso
Mahirap
tayo.
itayo sa tubig.
Mahirap kasi, di ba may...
Kasi-
Sa lumat siya, oo.
Di balance. Kailangan iba-balance mo pala. Good pala, magkano ba yun yung upuan?
Pagod na si Ate Icy.
Okay? Come. Last one.
Last one daw. Baka tatayo ka.
Let's try.
Kasi nakita niya na yung ano.
To balance if I'm already stuck.
You don't pull in, then it's automatically coming up.
Then what I will do with my
You don't pull your arm.
no my feet if I'm up. What will I do?
Sorry?
If I'm already standing, what will I
Just
do
keep
with my
your
feet?
heels like this. That's it. The press the board. Because the
Pakita mo
board
nga sa amin.
Show it to us.
Hindi
But
mo
I will
lang po.
hold this, huh? Still?
Yes. Don't leave until I tell, okay?
Sindi mo lang po to.
Take her inside. Okay, come inside. Come inside.
Wait.
There's a shark.
There's a shark daw. Bilisan mo may pating. Te, bilisan mo may pating.
Okay, go out.
May pating. Pating. Shark. Shark.
There's a shark. Bawal dito, bawal.
Yo. Saan?
Ito ba? Hindi, bawal may yan.
Paano pa ako ng shark ah?
Shark daw ba?
Change.
Hindi wala. Kasi may makaharap.
May mga naliligo na.
Nalayo tayo.
Mas na dito tayo eh. Kung na tayo.
Ang hirap no. Hindi na matayo sa tubig.
Si Tin kagasan natin. Pagbato ng banto.
May hihina nga ako.
Mamaya picture mo ako dito. Get right. Kunyari.
Oo. Doon nga ako nahihirapan sa tubig eh.
Tapos masungit pa siya magtulog.
Kala niya galing na bigla.
Hindi niya alam lahat
Oo,
naman.
parang ikaw naman. Ikaw naman sumubok sa mga pagsubok. Sige lang, go. Wala pa sa gambalo.
Saan yung takaran?
Okay, ready?
Ready?
Ikaw ako na? Ate Kate first.
ikaw na.
She will
Okay, no problem. Relax.
Buti hindi ka pinulikat. Kabubukaan lang.
Kasi hindi ako nagpo-force ko yan.
Pinost
kaya.
ko kasi pagtayo kanina.
Hindi.
Kasi nakala ko ganun.
Parang igaganon mo lang. Pero hindi ko na alam kung anong gagawin pag nakatayo ka.
Pero ang hirap, di ba? Hindi ko sa kanya akala ko.
Wala niyo naman kasi. Kung magaling tayo. Hindi na tayo.
Hold the boat first. Now bring your leg down.
Ayun pala yung building.
Kasi ano ba ito pag ganito? Hindi, pag ganyan lang talaga.
Leave the boat and
Yung harap.
okay? And press your heels in.
Iikot lang yan.
Heels up.
Kulang siya sa train, sa pagtitrain sa atin.
Gia.
Dapat meron munang land, yung sa baba ka muna para
Go Ate Kate.
Press your heels. Go.
Go, Boots!
Stand up, 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 up. Don't pull.
Wow!
That's better. That's better. Yeah.
Because we don't know if we're up already, what we will do.
It will coming up. Don't worry, I will tell you step by step because we only one time.
Ayan na. Oh.
Hindi, ikot naman siya. Ikot naman siya.
That's their place.
Sorry? No, it's like private area.
This is their area, yeah? Then where we will go.
Ate Kate, nakatayo ka na kaso pasubsob nga lang.
Tayo na. Tayo lang daw.
This one on green.
Gray.
Right? Okay, yeah. Go down. When you stand up, lean in back, okay?
Lean back?
Yeah.
Okay.
Gia.
Ano din ba?
hindi naman niya tinutulong sa isa.
Isa-isa nga daw eh, kasama yun sa oras.
Leave the boat. Leave the boat. Press your heels. Go. Stay squat. Yeah. Stand up, 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 up.
Go, Boots! Yes! Lean back, lean back! Wow! Sayang! Feeling ko mahirap mag-lean back na naman.
Hindi kasi
Ano ba school ni Ate Kate?
Bakit siya nag-aaral? Bakit kaya niya sumunod?
Oh, okay.
What they said?
Okay, it doesn't stand up.
Just
She doesn't
It's
stand
not
up.
stand to stop.
Oh, it's hard, dear.
Love, ano daw school mo? Doon din sila mag-aral.
See. Hold it up. See Ade. Look me, okay? You stand up. Don't stand up full. Squat and lean back. That's it, okay? You go step by step. Red and white, yes. Ready? Here. Leave the boat. Go. Stand up, 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 up. Lean back. Lean back.
Lean back!
Okay, good.
Ang hirap. Hirap mag-lean back. Kasi
The next
hininila
one,
ka.
so might start.
No, maybe because she's big, that's why. She's heavy. Yeah? No, because if you are heavy, then you can just easily get up.
From the water.
Yeah.
Floating.
You are floating.
It's not like that in this one. Because this
Tin.
one is pulling you.
Okay, then go. One more. Magsuot ka na. Mag-one more.
Ito, kay Ate Rose.
Come to this side.
Try pa tayo. Magsuot mo na to sa'yo.
Hindi, si Ethan muna. Wala pa siyang